June 11, 1962, Alcatraz Island, San Francisco Bay. Inside cell 138, a papier-mache head with real human hair rests against a pillow, facing away from the corridor. 2 cells down, in 150 and 152, identical heads lie in identical positions. None of them is a man. Each is a decoy, built from soap, toilet paper, and paint smuggled from the prison hobby shop. Frank Morris, an inmate reported to have one of the highest IQ scores ever recorded at Alcatraz, had spent months studying the prison's ventilation system. Behind each of 3 cells, a small metal vent covered a shaft leading to an unused utility corridor. Using spoons stolen from the mess hall and a homemade drill built from a vacuum cleaner motor, Morris and brothers John and Clarence Anglin widened the vents night after night, hiding the growing gaps behind cardboard grills painted to match the concrete. A 4th man, Alan West, was supposed to escape with them. His cell wall had been reinforced with a steel bar, and by June 11th, his opening still was not wide enough. The other 3 could not wait. They left him behind. That night, the 3 men climbed through the shafts, up a utility pipe, and onto the cell block roof. Below, on the north shore of the island, they had hidden a raft built from more than 50 stolen raincoats, glued and heat-sealed into a rubber-like hull, along with hand-carved wooden paddles and inflatable life vests made from the same material. By the 7:15 morning count on June 12th, the papier-mache heads had done their job for the last time. Guards found 3 empty beds and 3 faces made of soap. Within hours, the FBI and the Coast Guard searched the bay's currents, known for cold water and a strong outgoing tide. Dozens of boats and low-flying aircraft covered miles of open water. A wallet wrapped in rubber, containing photographs and names, washed up near Angel Island. A paddle and pieces of raincoat rubber were found floating close to shore. No bodies were ever recovered. Because of this, the Bureau of Prisons concluded the men had drowned. The FBI's official file closed in 1979, ruling the case unsolved but presumed fatal. The U.S. Marshal Service, however, kept it open, tracking the case the way it tracks any fugitive. What nobody could explain was how 3 men in a homemade raft could survive currents that had drowned stronger swimmers before them, without leaving more than a wallet behind. For decades, investigators had only that wallet, a paddle, and 3 faces made of soap. Then, in 2013, a letter arrived signed John Anglin.